This is Drinking Quest, Belch of the Wild. This is a 2 to 4 player game, 45 to 60 minutes, age 21 plus. So you have the option to drink while you play as part of the game, but it is not a required thing to drink while you play. Score sheet, and then the cards. So these cards are actually pretty funny. So there's the back of the cards. Look at the little raccoon, mead maple. I really like the art on this. It's just funny. And the name of the card. This looks like a really fun party game. We have a snooty sausage. Hawaii beer.